pwyso da gan y Penybont. A Bale I mewn i'r canol gan Cei Connah. Ac arbediad o ergyd Cei Connah gan y golwr Andy Firth. Cyfle cynnar I Penybont. Ac Little yn canfod Cei Connah yn dda, a Cei Connah yn meddwl bod na rediad yn mynd I fynd. Wel, mae yna ddigwyddiad o fan hyn, mae Dan Jeffries wedi cael ei anfon o'r maes. A John Disney oddi lawr, mae yna ddigwyddiad oddi ar y bêl, a Dan Jeffries sydd wedi cael ei hel o'r cae I Penybont. Miles Davies ar tafliad. Peniad ymlaen, allan o hi gan Danny Holmes, a'r ergyd yna. Wel, oedd hwnna ddim yn bell gan Miles Davies. Nath o daro hi'n dda. Ac Andy Firth yn gorfod gwylio hwnna'r holl ffordd. Cei Connah dros y bêl, a Cei Connah yn taro hwnna. Ac yna ergyd yn taro'r postyn gan Nathan Wood. Yn sicr doedd Andy Firth ddim am gyrraedd hwnna, os oedd hi yn y gornel. Danny Holmes sy'n chwarae fel cefnwr dde bellach. Holmes yn croesiad hyfryd. Ac am gol, Michael Wilde ar y cynnig cynta, Mike Hayes ar yr ail. Ac mae Cei Connah ar y blaen o'r diwedd. Y bêl yn disgyn yn ôl I Mike Hayes, a Hayes yr eilydd yn rwydo. Cei Connah i'r canol. Mae hwnna'n disgyn I Tom Tweedy. Ac mae yna gic o'r swatyn. Mae Cei Connah yn gandryll efo'r dyfarnwr, ond mi gafodd Tom Tweedy I faclu yn y cwrt Cosby wrth drio cyrraedd y bêl yma yna. Ac mi fydd yn gic o'r swatyn I Penybont. Nathan Wood ar cyfle I unioni'r sgôr I Penybont. Ac am arbediad gan Andy Firth. Arbediad campus I lawr i'w dde. Doedd hi ddim yn ergyd ffôl o gwbl gan Nathan Wood. A beth sydd digwydd fan hyn? Mae yna wthio, mae yna ffrio. A mae'r dyfarnwr Richard Harrington wedi gweld rhywbeth. Wel, mae yna gerdyn coch, ond dim byd I wneud efo'r gic o'r swatyn. John Disney sydd wedi cael ei anfon o'r cae.
I thought when we scored the goal, we weren't safe, in any way, shape or form. And I knew that they'd keep going until the very end. And then, what's gone on in the last 10 minutes is bizarre, to say the absolute least. And, it's credit to our players and staff that we found a way of seeing ourselves over the line and getting 3 points.
Proper football match, full-blooded, both teams, not giving an inch. And a game in many ways that the league can be proud of.
What did you make of that red card in the first half? It seemed to change the game somewhat. It certainly seemed to get you all fired up.
I was already fired up by that point, but no, I thought we were the better team, 11v11 clearly. I thought we were well on top. And then obviously I thought it was a red, and Dan has said, yeah, it probably was a red. So, and then obviously it totally changes the dynamic of the game, but I still thought we probably had the better chances across the game.
A game that had everything in it. And the shift we put in was fantastic, and we got our reward in the end and clung onto it by great save by Firth at the end.